For generations, we dreamed of intelligent machines, robots that could think, learn, and even care for us. These visions filled the pages of classic novels and flickered across old movie screens, capturing our collective imagination. The idea of a mechanical companion, once pure fantasy, became a symbol of the future we hoped to build. These ideas lived in science fiction, but now, in 2025, they're becoming reality. The gap between imagination and invention is closing faster than ever before, as yesterday's dreams transform into today's breakthroughs. Today's robots aren't the clunky automatons of the past. They're powered by artificial intelligence. Their movements are fluid, their designs are elegant, and their abilities are growing every day. This AI lets them see, listen, and learn from experience. They can interpret their surroundings, understand human speech, and adapt to new situations in ways that once seemed impossible. We're witnessing the birth of a new kind of intelligence, one we created. These machines can now recognize faces, respond to emotions, and even hold meaningful conversations. It's both exhilarating and a little frightening. The possibilities are thrilling, but the unknowns remind us to tread carefully as we shape this new world. Imagine a machine that understands your needs without a single command. It anticipates your preferences, learns your routines, and becomes a seamless part of your daily life. A companion that senses your mood and offers comfort. These robots can provide emotional support, helping people feel less alone and more understood. A helper that solves problems before they happen. From fixing a leaky faucet to reminding you of important tasks, these machines are proactive partners in our lives. This is the promise of AI-powered robotics. They're not just tools, they're collaborators, assistants, and even friends, ready to help us in ways we never thought possible. We're moving from commanding machines to collaborating with them. Together, we solve problems, create new ideas, and push the boundaries of what's possible. It's a fundamental shift in our relationship with technology. We're learning to trust, communicate, and work alongside these intelligent partners. We're not just tool makers anymore. We're creators of intelligent partners. Our inventions are beginning to think with us, not just for us. Decades of research and innovation have brought us here. Each breakthrough, each experiment, has paved the way for this remarkable moment in history. The hardware is powerful, the software is smart. Together they form machines that can learn, adapt, and grow alongside us. In 2025, we stand at a crossroads. The choices we make now will shape the future of human and machine collaboration for generations to come. The age of intelligent robots is no longer a distant dream. It's here, now, woven into the fabric of our everyday lives, and it's poised to change everything about our world. From the way we work and live, to how we connect and care for one another, the impact will be profound. The future we imagined is finally at our doorstep. As we open the door to this new era, we step into a world where science fiction has truly become fact. What makes these new robots so different from the machines we've seen before? Why do they seem so much more lifelike, capable, and even relatable? The answer lies in revolutionary advances in artificial intelligence, breakthroughs that have redefined what robots can do and how they interact with the world around them. Three major breakthroughs, machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision, have changed everything, pushing the boundaries of robotics further than ever before. Machine learning lets robots learn from data, not just follow instructions. Instead of being limited to pre-programmed routines, they can analyze vast amounts of information, recognize patterns, and draw their own conclusions. This means they can adapt, improve, and make decisions on their own, even in situations they've never encountered before. Natural language processing allows robots to understand and speak with us in ways that feel natural and intuitive. Today's robots can interpret context, slang, and even emotion, picking up on subtle cues in our voices and expressions. Communication now feels less like giving commands and more like having a real conversation with a thoughtful companion. Computer vision gives robots the power to see and understand their surroundings, transforming how they interact with the physical world. They can recognize objects, faces, and navigate complex environments, making them useful in places like hospitals, offices, and even our homes. A robot can now distinguish a cat from a dog, a coffee cup from a book, and respond appropriately to each situation. When you combine these abilities, you get a machine that's truly aware, capable of processing sights, sounds, and data all at once. It can see, listen, and think, multitasking just like a human being. These breakthroughs have made robots more human-like than ever before, not just in appearance, but in their ability to understand and respond to us. The line between science fiction and reality is blurring, as robots step out of our imaginations and into our daily lives. AI is no longer just a tool, it's a partner, working alongside us, helping us solve problems and achieve more than ever before. The future of robotics is unfolding before our eyes, promising a world where humans and intelligent machines collaborate in ways we're only beginning to imagine. We've moved beyond the era of pre-programmed robots, those mechanical arms that were once confined to performing the same repetitive tasks over and over again, never learning or adapting. Today's AI-powered robots are a world apart. They don't just follow instructions, they analyze vast amounts of data, make predictions about what might happen next, and chart their own course through complex environments. Every interaction, every mistake becomes a valuable lesson. These robots learn from trial and error, constantly refining their understanding and improving their abilities with each new experience. Imagine a robot learning to assemble furniture. It might fail hundreds of times, but with each attempt, it gets a little better, a little closer to mastery, demonstrating patience and persistence that rivals our own. This is digital evolution at high speed, where progress that once took years now happens in days or even hours. AI robots are now incredibly versatile, able to switch between tasks and environments with ease, adapting to whatever challenge comes their way. One day, a robot might assist a surgeon in a delicate operation. The next, it could be out in the field, analyzing geological samples on a remote mountainside. Their true power lies in their adaptable minds, the ability to process new information and adjust their behavior on the fly. These machines are no longer just tools. They're becoming true problem solvers, capable of working alongside us or independently tackling complex challenges. Present them with a unique challenge, and they'll often find innovative solutions, sometimes ones we might never have considered ourselves. Today's robots can make independent decisions, weighing options and choosing the best course of action without human intervention. Take an autonomous drone, for example. It analyzes weather conditions, traffic patterns, and its own battery life to plot the safest and most efficient route. It's not just following a preset map, it's creating one in real time, adapting instantly to changes in its environment. This level of autonomy is what truly sets today's robots apart from their ancestors, marking a dramatic leap forward in capability. As a result, robots are becoming our autonomous partners, working side by side with us in ways we once only imagined. The age of intelligent, adaptable machines has arrived, and it's transforming how we live, work, and learn every single day. The robotic revolution is already reshaping our world. In healthcare, AI robots assist in surgeries and manage hospital logistics, empowering doctors and nurses. In finance, AI analyzes data, detects fraud, and manages investments with unmatched speed and accuracy. Self-driving vehicles are changing transportation, promising safer roads and greater mobility. In agriculture, robots plant and harvest with precision, helping feed the world. Manufacturing is more efficient, with robots building everything from phones to airplanes. In research, robots explore dangerous environments, from the deep sea to other planets. AI robots are becoming the backbone of a safer, more productive world. They're not just novelties, they're essential. The impact is felt across every industry. Robots are the workhorses of the 21st century. As AI advances rapidly, we're building robots in our own image, humanoid machines that look and move like us. In 2025, these remarkable robots are moving from research labs into our homes and workplaces. They walk, use their hands skillfully, and interact with our world in surprisingly human ways. Modern humanoids navigate stairs, recover from a push, and handle delicate tasks with precision. They recognize faces, remember names, and hold meaningful conversations with people. For the elderly, they offer both practical assistance and much-needed companionship. At home, they manage chores like laundry and cleaning. In retail, they guide customers and answer questions. In education, they tutor students and support learning. The goal isn't to replace human interaction but to supplement and enrich it. Humanoid robots are here to handle the mundane, freeing us for what truly matters most in life. With this new age comes serious challenges. Job displacement is a real concern as robots take on more roles. we must retrain our workforce for the future. Ethical dilemmas arise. Who's responsible when a robot makes a mistake? AI can inherit human biases from its data. Fairness must be a priority. Security is critical. Robots can be hacked and misused. We need robust protections and clear accountability. These questions demand thoughtful debate and new rules. Scientists, policymakers, and the public must work together. Technology is moving fast. Our laws must keep up. Ignoring these issues would be irresponsible. We must guide this technology with wisdom and foresight. AI robots are a testament to human ingenuity, with the power to transform our world. They can take on dangerous jobs, support the elderly, and personalize education. They help fight climate change, optimize agriculture, and accelerate scientific discovery. But this technology is a double-edged sword. The same AI that helps us could also be misused, creating new risks. The future depends on the choices we make now. We must balance innovation with caution and ethics. AI robots are both our greatest invention and our biggest risk. By guiding their evolution with empathy and vision, we can ensure they serve humanity. The next chapter is ours to write, together with our new intelligent companions.